Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to talk about my bangs. No, I'm just kidding. I've already done my skincare, my foundation, my concealer. I haven't set my face yet because we're going to try the Gucci beauty powder. This is what it looks like. So fancy. So bougie, Gucci. It opens like this. It has the Gucci logo. Oops, I'm sorry. The Gucci logo like engraved on there. You can actually open this BB up. It has like this little, what they call this? Puff there. But I'm not going to use this for today because I love using a brush. So we're going to use this big fluffy brush, swirl it on here and try that on. This actually smells really amazing. Like, it smells so good, I swear. I love the scent of this. It smells like a baby powder. I can't explain how good this smells like. Oh, I love this. It's really good because, you know, with other powder, when you powder it up or set your face, it becomes just, it looks powder, it looks matte. But with this, I don't think it made my face look matte. I think it still looks dewy and fresh, like glowy almost. Do you agree? I really like this. I don't look mad at all. I still look glowy and pretty. Wow, feeling myself today. But that's okay because I'm using Gucci. So luxurious. Okay. For my brows, I extended the ends a little bit using a pencil and a powder, but I haven't filled the whole brow yet because we're going to try Charlotte Tilbury's Legendary Brows. This is it. It's still in the box. So this is what it looks like. It has the same prints on the box. This is in the shade Supermodel. And I hope you like my lighting. It's now natural. I'm now in front of a window. I hope that's better. I think it's better. So let's go ahead and try these. Wow. Wow, okay, this is actually really easy to use. I love this. See? My brows are done in like, I don't know, 5 seconds. This is super easy. So I already did both of my brows. I do already have thick brow. So I'm not sure how this would work on a much thinner brow because my mom has thin brows. And what she does with this product is she would first fill in her brows with powder and then go in with this. But for me, I don't really need to go in with powder because I already have thick brows. But this is really good. I really like this. My son was actually sleeping on our bed right here, but he woke up, so I'm just going to take care of him a little bit, then I'll be right back. So we're now going to do my eyes using the Charlotte Tilbury Copper Charge color-coded eyeshadow. This is the palette, the Luxury Palette. These are the shades. This is the Prime, Enhance, Smoke, and Pop colors. This is the Prime shade. The next, we're going to dip into this. That's the Enhance. Wow. Yummy. Next is the Pop. Let's see if it will pop. Pop! Pop! Last, the Smoke. This is actually supposed to be the third, but wow. These two, I think I'm going to really like. First, I want to take a small flat packer brush and dip it into the prime shade and put that all over my lid. This is a nice gold color. And I'm going to take the Sigma blending brush. This is the E25. Take some of the enhanced color. This is the shade. Buff this on my outer V and on my crease. And then I'm going to take my Morphe X Jeffree Star JS6 brush. I'm going to take the Smoke shade, pack this on my outer V. And then, using my finger, I'm going to get some of the shade, or the Pop shade of the palette. Tap this on just the center of my eye. And I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS13, and get some of the prime shade again. Put this on my inner corner. The next thing that we're going to try today is the Charlotte Tilbury Eye Color Magic Liner Duo. So this one's in copper charge as well. The only thing that I don't like about the palette is that I'm getting a lot of fallout, which I know I could solve by using a damp brush, or just doing my eye makeup first before my face makeup, so I can remove all the fallout after I'm done. But just to let you guys know, should look out for that. So this is the Copper Charge Magic Liner Duo. So this is the liner, and this is the other side, which is a metallic. I'm going to use this end to line my eyes, and this end for my waterline. I'm just going to line my eyes as close to the lash line as possible. I'm not really used to using pencils as an eyeliner, but I really wanted to try this. And then line my waterline. Put it under my waterline as well, just a little bit. And use the other side to line under my waterline, but just on the outer part, just so it kind of looks connected. So I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup, then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, and my bangs are not cooperating at all, but this is how it looks like. I'm going to list down the products that I have on down in the description box, but overall, the Gucci This one, Fave, super love. And the scent, oh my god. If only you could smell it. It's so good. It smells so nice. It feels so good on the skin. Again, it didn't make my face look matte at all. I hate my bangs, oh my god. But it did give me like that glowy, dewy finish. For this one, not my fave. It did give me a lot of fallout, but it was very pigmented. It's really nice, and if you want like a softer, simple look, you can definitely do that with a lighter hand. I was surprised, and my hands were heavy. My hand was heavy. So it gave me more of like a glam, smoky eye look, which I'm not really that into right now. But it still looks nice. It looks pretty. If you're into this, you should really try it. And for this one, also not my fave. I'm not that much into pens. I really prefer, for an eyeliner, the felt ones or liquid ones. I think it's much easier to use than pencil. I do like that precise, crisp wing, which I'm not used to, or I don't know how to achieve with the pencil. I think you can sharpen it, but easier with a, it's still easier with a liquid eyeliner or a felt liner. And the other end, for my waterline, I don't usually line my waterline. It's still a good liner for you to do the under your lash line, but I prefer powder or an eyeshadow to brush on under my eyes. You get me. And then lastly, the legendary brow. This one, you know, I really love this. I really love this so much. So much. It's so easy. It's so easy to use. It's effortless to do my brows with this. So I love that. I love that. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to harm you, my love, but I love you. Okay, I'm now talking to my makeup. So I hope that helps you in knowing the products more. Especially this, totally recommend. The smell was amazing. I love the smell. I love the finish it gave to my face, my skin. Love these two. This video is all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like it. This is my face now. So thank you guys for watching, and if you do have some requests, leave a comment down below. And I do have the Pillowtalk Instant Eye, Pillowtalk Blush. So if you want me to do like a Pillowtalk look or anything, just comment down below. And again, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay at home. Love you guys. Bye. You wanna go to daddy? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.